Okay, now we are going to work on the base of this cup. So I think my my edges here were just too tight, so I just need to push them up a little bit. Let me just turn off my subdivision. Off. Yeah. So I'm just going to select this, and push them up. Turn this on. Okay. So I wanted you to create this good rounding there. Okay. So for the base, we can just bring in another cylinder. From here, another cylinder, push it down and shrink it to like so. Push it down. Okay, like so. Let's see. Just measuring it from here. Okay, not too bad. Like so. Okay, not too bad. I think this is okay. Then we're just going to create the middle pieces. These middle pieces that go below there. So just duplicate them in advance. So just push it down so you can see it for now. And let's make this editable. And we can solo this out. Not even solo this out. Yeah, solo this out there. Solo viewport on. Solo this out. Then since we're not going to be able to see the inside, so we don't need the inside part, we just have to delete that part. But before we delete that part, we need to change a few things. Oh, it's already editable. So it's okay. It's alright. So just go to my face mode, then I will select all the faces and delete them. Okay, that is okay. Then I need to adjust my polygon count. So I need to delete. I'm going to delete these polygons there. So I will delete them with UL. Select this, that, and dissolve them. So just have that. Then we can add a subdivision. Yeah, we have got something like that. This is okay. Then we can turn off our viewport solo, and we have that kind of cheating going on there. Yeah. Okay. Then we're just going to have some two metal plates at the bottom, so I think we can just delete this one. We can call this plastic end. Let's put this plastic end. Okay, then this plastic end, we're just going to duplicate this plastic end and bring it on top of the hierarchy. Then we're just going to shrink it, scale it like so, and then we're going to bring it down, so out, and so let's bring up my lines, something like so, and push this to here. I think we can push it up to that edge there. This is pretty much okay. And let's throw in subdivision modifier as well. Yeah, something like that. Something like that is okay. I can also add another one on the other side. Just push it to the other side. Okay. Tools, move my axis to object center. So changing use what is going on. Okay, so just have to do this manually. Move it there, and I can push this one towards the edge. Then I can also push this one towards the edge. Then I can duplicate the subdivision. Actually, you can just group these two. Yeah, I think that is the easiest. Just supposed to group these two. 1, 2, Alt G. Yeah, Alt G, and then there we are. So we can call the middle ends. Call the middle ends. Okay, not bad. Okay, right. So we pretty much have our bulb